Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a messenger blocked account. To know how to fix or to solve messenger blocked account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you can click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you'll search about messenger. Here in this page you click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Play Store, you will search about Messenger, and then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.